If you're looking for a way to transfer your WhatsApp completely from iPhone to Android, or actually any two smartphones, this software called Mobile Trans from Wondershare is one of the easier ways to do so. You can download this software for Windows or for Mac, and with just a couple of clicks, you can have your WhatsApp completely transferred. And that's not it. You can even back up WhatsApp and keep it on your computer so you can restore it at a later time. Or even if you just want to create daily backups, you can do that with this software. Of course, this video is sponsored by Wondershare and it does actually make the job much easier. Also, it transfers all kinds of content, messages, photos, videos, attachments, everything. And this does not have to be only true for iPhone to Android. You can pretty much transfer content from any phone to any other phone. And not just for WhatsApp, for Kik, Line, Viber, and WeChat. And guys, there are many ways to do this, which are free, but this software for just $20 after discount can help you do this with a single click. Now, once you've downloaded the setup on Windows, you'll see an icon like this. You run the setup and install the software. When you run the software, it'll ask you for the license key, which I have already put. And then you will see this beautiful, simple interface that allows me to start the transfer. Now, once I click on transfer, it'll give me multiple options. First, I can choose which app I want to transfer or take backup of. The default being WhatsApp, but then I have other options. Then I can choose to transfer, and once I do that, it'll look for connected phones to the PC. Since I haven't connected at the moment, it gives me troubleshooting steps, which is great because, it just guides me through the entire thing. Anyway, let's go ahead and connect two phones. And once I do that, I'll see the phones listed in the drop-down. It works for majority of phones with majority of manufacturers, and you can always see the list of supported phones. Once you've set up your source and destination phone, just click Start. It'll ask you whether you want to keep the content in the old phone or do you want everything transferred to the new phone. And that's it. Once you set that, hit Next and it'll guide you through the process. And now you really just have to follow the instructions you see on screen. The entire process is guided, so if there's any action required on your phone, you'll see the relevant prompt on the screen, and that way you never go wrong. You can see the progress step by step, which is very reassuring actually. And as I said guys, there are ways to transfer WhatsApp, but this seems to be simpler and a sure way of going through the process. And again, just for $20 after discount, you can keep this software for yourself to use again on different phones. And you just, you never have to worry about moving over to a new phone. All the relevant links are in the description along with the discount code to purchase the software. So go ahead and give it a shot if you're in the need. Again, thank you for watching guys, and I hope this was helpful. Any questions in the comments? I'll see you in the next one.